kolong kolam so kokhrang nai toni jora takhukte bukuksono chini dibetchu obaiklai nangno ni buskang tinibo bipul debarman nok saimano chini jepro dibetchu khlayo chung tirpra hastini kobangma abohai athukiri tei chini thungrung politics haparni kobangma chira nangmani o jorao o molongi tongmani abohai kogrogno tuboi abohai patimung rongno tuboi nongni buskang phayo srai srai kai saimalai na bagai tini bohai khlaino non political chung nugimana norok salbrum no chung political ni neta rok eba khaba thungrung rongno tuyei obahai dibetchu khlai tongmani borni wanchukmung ba borni hamkrai lukrokne hamkrai bahai ke ngai akokno tui khlai tongmani tinike sing aboya sini mukumu hukumu sini manthai soktai sini banjinani sini sirinani sini sinimung abunu tui tini dibetchu khlai nei tini nongni buskango akokno saimala na bagai takokte bukuksong tini sini studio faisok baijak khorok tui oba haikeno polen lam songnai tsf ni ngoi takuk tom debormana polen khulmote lam song sini studio jo faisok baijak tai khorokcha gorea senani adong takuk tini belaibo takuk sini jagoi tongo ojrao ponob lam songnai sini studio polen lam sogo te khulmchin studio takokte bukuksong ajung tini oba haikeno script asrimung tirpra hastini laibu marok hukumu mukumu rok sing kubuni haste bai sulaibo kulpaya chini tirpra hastini laibu marok chini moharaj chini bubagra rok amse khlai klangjak kaisa kaisa thayo thangka angklai chini bubagra rok ni mukumu hukumu tonguno tongu phia tabu kokhe obose tirpra haste u kudukma bisi romuno moharaj amol ni simi tabuk o 21st century jamna eba molo tabuk bo kogrog rok ni tirpra sarok ni script thir kriku tabuk bo buini sebno naharise unglai ma tonglai jakhu phia tabuk ojrao sikla rok ni wanchumung tamo kebo ba sao bangla script kebo ba sao roman script kebo ba sao devanagari script bomo kaham tirpra sarok ni bagai bomo chakok nai thinang ni athukri rong ni bagai sikla rok ni wanchumung tamo tini abono tino saimalai ni poleno chung saimalai nei takok riat ni bukuk tei bahai wanchuk nang khorcha sikla ojorao te thinango chini kogrogno chini mani kok borogno chung tibo fuarna ni bagai bo script rok hamkuk no eba chakuk no.
Well, Bipul, thank you. Nuhun mabagi ano jaga pele kano hambai. Well, ang first no kahakok sungna musungo. Chung kokborok day before celebrate kai 19th January I believe.
Yes.
Tangya dino khai kokborok to 19th January chung kong ya, but tangi khai dino. It is a recognition day, right? Recognition nu. Mane recognition is very important. Nang jesek pana kam khanya rung tong de din thai recognition kare hinge nang kunung ko khai mia. Kaisa mistri jesek pan nok tangna rung tong de bo engineering mai until and unless he has a degree, recognition, a certificate. To state jora to chung recognition man thaga but chung mani ka saimona nango chung te ka level tonghu je daga chin recognition mana tonghu that is tamna kalai bharat ni সংবিধান ni অষ্টম তফসিল I think 8th schedule ni ngo chung mani koikta mani bujina nango koik rokom ni rights tong chin thane kasha tong fundamental constitutional ni under fundamental totally te ka tong only constitutional but not fundamental te ka tong legal just legal rights that we have tabuk je chini kok borok chung ta jotoni na linguistic minority nam to right tong je joton chana ningo ka but it is just a legal right normal সাধারণ legal right hege chung man to am bagi chung exploit khemon je kum jaga chakri na hayang tong mono kong jaga funds riang tong mono that is because we don't have a blanket right that fundamental rights to amo riani kama karon to ulo explain khaina ba maniani constitution tam ka bharat ni সংবিধান পুরা যেহেতু ভারতবর্ষ কম হাজার হাজার ভাষা তো আমন বগিতাম খাইগা শুধু স্পেসিফিক্যালি কয়েকটা ভাষা না চিমিনো সাকাও এবং 8 শিডিউলিং কো খাইগা কোন আমন কাছে রিজিওনালি বা ন্যাশনালি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ হিসাবে কাছে ফান্ডামেন্টাল বেকিং রেখা ফান্ডামেন্টাল রাইটস যে ও দাগা হাপ কাঙ্কাই টেক মনো কেবো গো নরমাই আমন 8 শিডিউলিং কো তো আনি বিলিভ হিংকাঙ্কাই বা আং যেসব সাইমামানি সিমান হিসাবে হিংকা 8 শিডিউল হাবনা বগে হিংকাঙ্কাই जों কাছে রিজিওনাল স্ক্রিপ্ট নাও মানে যেটা ইন্ডিয়ান সাবকন্টিনেন্ট নি অরিজিন ngো Indian subcontinent ba nijini script ngko koro ang kaisa ja khanama tongo chini khoroksa borong gana khub okra borok khorso samatong kacha ko je article 29 of the constitution je fundamental rights bo chuno rights jo je chung chini script choose khaimano I think sir kaham ke pori liya namno article 29 tam sa nini own script own language te own culture no nang amo kono minority ni ko gya je kono kaise group minority or majority niji script tong khaise ni thana a rights tong article 29 is fundamental right so we don't have that to chengete baki policy ni thruti ma thangnai tabo amang bagi bore explain khane but amsung no site tong je 8 schedule ong gang ke any English is not just a foreign language okay it is a colonial language that we need to understand that's why amoni bage amoni biruddhe kintu mane onek policy chalo phaito constitutional policy no to constitutional direction no to English no go khane bage ba Roman script bo ang bahike phai among go sawan tak but I think go khaiba kam I will explain
jung tabuk thanglai nei TSF ki takuk tom ni bukuk ti khana lai tam wan chuk takuk tom ningle o jorawo nai
first takuk riyadh
yes
belai ka ham explain khai kya chine kok kharang belai ham bai amai crucial time o crucial topic ti kok salam phaiman bage first ang nanu kaisa questions khaina ning clear khaya ko thik ase somehow ang buji kha nung tamo script no nai kok borong bai se clear khari lukurong buskama Devanagari right mane nung kok borok sitane Devanagari no support khayo nung abuni basis bu saka Indian constitution ni H schedule ni kok no okay ang kisicha je ani je favor out of ang Roman ni favor of hayoro kok borong song Roman ni sikang ke bahike sin benefit na abang sanai abun sang na kisa minor question khainai nang abun juri answer ke belai sanai
okay
I think nung to khorsa educated boro WhatsApp use khayo na
of course
I think kani nok ni borok bani ni friend circle lo no kok borok kok sauno sob somoi te Hindi English Bangla bi saya na kok borok sauna nang a WhatsApp ro kok safro omo nang Devanagari script by the kok borok sa na ki English bab kisi clear khare rabang se sinam musong nin sana
of course with English script only
kan nang kok borok safro Devanagari script use khaya English
yes
that means Roman script
yes of course
not only you in case of me I am also using Roman script in any social media platform not only social media platform everywhere and one thing not only me it is all the entire society of Tiprasa few ekta duita jodi kaso jangna age ni jara borok kata Facebook khongnai WhatsApp khongnai borok kisam se Bangla siman no but still now I don't see anyone writing in Devanagari script in social media platform just out of context ang hole just sinam musong mani
okay
so oro sanan thang kang kai ang nin reference to busnai sung Devna sung Roman script tan bagi nang chin benefits tamo first ang omon tu bunai language tamo what do you mean by language language is a medium of exchange sung medium of exchange kaisi language and medium of exchange always be easy ing nang nai tabuk o jagao sung debate tang ima phaikya because we do not have our own script abun bagi sungoro Devanagari Bangla Roman matung tabuk jehetu ani own script kroi ang tabuk emon script no naha thai jeta ani medium of exchange easy ing thai ani dialect proper form of fainai ang tabuk kok sanan thanga angkai ani je pronunciation abu sotik jagao fainai jeta according to expert nini je tabuk kabangma organization tong nini young kokbor writer sina abak bung nali yang kokbor saito soba oron expert be jefura ang koksa orong ni borok age puila borok Bangla bishi mane abun boro Devanagari bishi ka কিন্তু লাস্ট তো বড়টা প্রেজেন্টলি বড় রোমানমা ফাইকা বড় যে রাইটিং সিনান বাগে তাম বাইমা ফাইকাও জাগাও ইজিনেস অফ দা স্ক্রিপ্ট ফার্স্ট অমত সানায়া ইজিনেস অফ দা স্ক্রিপ্ট সেকেন্ড থিং সুংতাবুক স্কুল কলেজ যে জাগাও অমত ফ্রংজাগি দং নিনে কক বড় ফ্রংজাগি দং ইউনিভার্সিটি ও নিয়ার अबाउट 250 नि साका near about 300 kazarang exam namu semalia bororo master degree khlai horjak mumbai kok borok MA o jagao sung ang maximum borok bainu malaikha joto bai to malaiya kintu borok joto no roman bainu poriyang khorka romani favor no borok kok sau tan bagai borok je roman be materials available abahia materials available in Bengali but happen borok somehow manage khlai omka not only students but the teachers also in favor of roman because easiness of the medium tabuk je college new students hazar borota kok borok electric sajonai poritong borok maximum to bangla medium fiber first semester ro bangla masio kintu borok olo bujio realize khayo no we have to write in roman because it is the easy sung sinan nangnai world recognized language jung amno roman bai sika khai sung sung easy english sung buskango agungnai takte kaise point san thang kai nung je 8 schedule ni saka chini language no preserve khainar no ang kai kaisa je kono kaisa recognize man nang nung 19 January kok borok de chini state or recognize mane ঠিক আছে ইন্ডিয়ান কনস্টিটিউশন চিনি এড স্কেডিউল চিনি কক বর কানা নাও অমক আখাঙ্কে সুং ন্যাশনাল ওয়াইড চিনি অম অনেক কিছু বেনিফিটস দং আবনি আ বেনিফিটস নাঙ্গর সানান থাংলিয়া নং সাগা জাগাও রিজনাল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ সং নাগো আর্টিকেল 29 কক সাগা নাঙ্গর এজ ফার এজ আই নো 1949 নো যে সময় আর্টিকেল 343 মেবি আ জাগাও যে ইন্ডিয়ান অফিশিয়াল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ যে ও মানে আ জাগাও হিন্দি নো অফিশিয়াল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ হিসাবে দেবনাগরী স্ক্রিপ্ট বাই নাহাকা
42
Article 343 maybe, if I am not wrong.
40.
As agawo, along with Hindi, as agawo English no book official language for 15 years nazaka, if I am not wrong. Amo data sao. Tarpore 1963 o thangine the Indian official language act kha. As agawo English no book permanently official language hisabe Hindi baksan hazaka. Nka nungjaoro sautao English omo colonial language. Not only foreign language, yes, I accept colonial language omo because British togoro rule khaimon pore omo dominant thaka omo colonial language, but it is the medium of exchange. Official omo ta medium of exchange sung tongo nong tak omo birut khaimano birut khai kono khainyan kore be practical tab nonang sanai parliament is a sessions rok record rok parliamentary is orders rok of course Hindi log English we phayo supreme court judgment high court judgment of course roman we phayo English means roman we phayo not only official work but institutional also nang tab IITs IIMs reputed engineering other college nine ICAI CMA nine article medical institution joto roman frungsa English titles by all jagao tang hindi frungsa yang tang devanagari frungsa ya because devanagari frungklai difficulties to aborok saimono hain bagino all je reputed institutions je reputed courses to roman by English by no book map frungnai boro all jagao ang sanan nayo chini ko borno busung jodi buskango applicant khaina thanga angka kai jo roman non sung accept ma khaine indian constitution je roman bai dami abai kuno suija gya borok nayo indian origin but indian origin abai indian constitution it can be amended article 368 how indian constitution amendment khaimano there is nothing impossible among kai jenong constitution kok samane tabuk thaka india tripura o basa commission tintang kha as far as I know first headed by nini sam kundu by Chandrakanta Mora Singh amo je report rani felang kha
dates mi chance
no ang date manja ang tabu date ulo sanai
okay no
I have to check because I have not an aro joto data kare but as far as I know tinta language commission kha Chandrakanta Mora Singh by sam kundu bor headed khaikya first omo second ang by sequence ho second dong kha Semasoron Tripura baso commission clearly recommend khaikya borok research khaimon pore chini tiprasa sikla rok tiprasa sinai rok tiprasa porinai rok borok tam nai roman script favor nai bo clearly recommend khairike but left front government does not implement it because it has their own benefit bagi borok khailia implement khailia chin borok kaham nai borok thirdly tam khaika borok favor ne doctor nini sam sarkar nini
tam singum
pavitra sarkar right pavitra sarkar commission khaike aro
2003 4
date ang salia
ham pokto han
pavitra sarkar commission bo 1200 borok bai malai nei bo research khaike abun pore bo a jaga nukja kha roman favor majority nini opinion dikha haipono bo jehetu government opinion khaijaman bo kono kaisa particular recommend khailia kintu a jaga bo nukha higher majority kha sini roman bai oma khaika je sinyan bagi porian bagi ne a jaga bo opinion dikha kintu left front government tam khaika boro left front government a jaga kaisa policy khai rikha students can write and read in English means roman bai ba bengali porian bagi option khai rikha a jaga to roman bai boro khailia tam bagi borong own benefit ne bagi boro o jaga English bai recommend roman or bengali bai recommend khaipuno je kon bai khaipuno boro joto ACR tin boro khebro bengali bai sinan suru khaika that means borok ultimately bengali bai sungno dam khaina nai mani borok sungno khaina nai mani force khaina nai mani omakla alada pat tabu o je tinta basa commission bishon kaisa basa commission failing kha tai duita basa commission ni je majority to no sai khana rakha tabu nung sauje devanagari o jagao ang sanai nung saisung naimon ang saisung naimon bengya o nung judi o government judi Devanagari no nai tongkang kakai ang saimon nung ni boss o government ni theken nung phaika kaisa ketal language commission constitute khaidi a jagao ketal research khaidi 100% borong aro sogidi nai da jaga Sikla Rok Tamo script nai borong bagi benefit tamo abun pore officially nung tuma khainai tuma khai tamo kok sana abo clearly nung sana abo Sikla Rok no opinion nai
tabuk phirok mong tabuk riak ni
Okay, so first nung saka ang WhatsApp o tam by text khai actually kaha kok sungnai chang rirok chung khang bong bisi comfortable of course suit pant jeans it is there na but joton agnu kano blazer tumi ko people chung phega na is comfortable but you know mini traditional jeneng ti prasa it cannot be reflected by your that is which is common nung je sakang tang WhatsApp ko boro roman script becha are WhatsApp no to ए भाई तुम केमन हसो क्या हम तिकन छिने भाई तुम क्या कर रहे हो हिंदी में so that is normally it is a general language and that is the reason na it is a general language so it cannot have a specific special status that is the first thing now about the constitutional thing nung saka 343 right it's 343 only the Hindi is the official language acha mo to 343 e schedule kun khaina kari do sang sharon e schedule ang kitamo 344 1 and 351 I believe 351 yes acha mun thajing ja saka english ni continuation na ga kok se kha 1950 o jefro language nitiya konin kong lekha aprutam saka 15 বছর জোড়া first article 343 you might know 15 বছর 1965 ni pore engka english bondong thona indio ampi ningo kheka কিন্তু তবু ওটা এই শিডিউল নাই article 344 তো আমি সিজেক্ট এটা clause 1 তো আমি সিজেক্ট there will be a commission like after the expiration of 5 years since the amendment of the constitution 1950 ni pore 5 year ni pore 1955 of first BG Kher commission ko khaje BG Kher he was the chief minister of then Bombay presidency one koton gotoman to bo bini commission ni inko report paper botam saga we need a lingua franca I think commission ni report ni number 3 I think report number 3 point okay chini nation no kaisa lingua franca now of Indian origin right of Indian origin we need a lingua franca and Hindi is the most suitable for it English inko khaimya English no kom khaya no just like in all forms but amano various karne oppose kheka in 1963 o tamka kaisa official language act pass khaya ka and apro di ka je jehetu tabuk Hindi ni spread all jaga maya kho so jese din jora ke sarang maya amo extend khirika but time limit dilia so usually amon bai kaisa committee parliamentary committee asu that is headed by the home minister koi din sang report bofeka ning sema kana যেটা নর্থ ইস্ট ওখানে মানে দ্যাট ইজ দ্য রিজন কি জেসে দিন জরা সরং বাই মায়া ইংলিশ নো নরিয়া therefore সরং বাই মানে no that is the thing tabu what is the schedule first of all what is the schedule a schedule is a compilation of few articles because koy go mani to jeta jeng kaisa article we bujong maya to duita ba multiple articles milia kone guys schedule sanjo 344 1 and 351 amongka each schedule in compilation duita article tam sa tom kaisa there will be a committee there will be a chairman and there will be representatives of all the languages which are present in the 8th schedule and what will be the function of the 8th schedule to promote the use of Hindi and to reduce it is in the constitutional direction to reduce and restrict the use of English in all union works just jakono kama and 351 was specifically sijak to Hindi no composite culture by ngo khanya bage tamna kalai nang bujina nang oda gang Hindi imposition ni kok sa Hindi spread ni by ke sa nang bubu oncho ko Hindi pekan ke kok boro will be influence no tam saja je kok borong ni je dialect but je ko regional language dialect it is not just about kok bor bangla phang tun tamil phang tu je phang tun that dialect that main crux of the languages amo se Hindi wo ngoma khane mo sarang flexible mang jate it can replace English I think Amit Shah also said that in his report recently that it should be replacing English tabun sanai why Roman script mane Roman script directly ngo khaje gya na ka kok shan if I say that the products of Tata Motor is prohibited to be certified mane ngo khaja ban khaja it is banned it cannot run around the streets तो नों साइटोका आं टाटा गारिनि इंजिन तिक्लायै मारुतियाव दाय चालनाय इट इज नट पसिबल राइट द थिंग इज रोंदे ताबो जोनो 8 शेड्यूल इंग्लिश बे हाइपोथेटिकली रिरिका जुनो रिखा माने बुनो मारिनाय ब्ला यस तो ओ जे मीडियम ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन तामु थानो सारे it is the main reason is nung je saitongo je english phone ne bujo bairo and amun bagai tamna klai roman is better so nung wansung na de jodi common communities ngo na ka hangkai roman script na ka hangkai obviously the medium of communication will be english permanently it will be settled as english so it is directly violating 351 it is directly violating 344 clause 2 subclause a and subclause b directly and nung chaw amendment khaimano to that is a different issue amon ingo chalai na erpore titam tongho to mono pass of tap sawan
okay tabuk khainai singmung tisanai jeng takhuk top ni thani tabuk ojoro nai nemini bini kok je bo sawi to bari phya gobang ma bahaino lai thanai salogo bo gobang ma chawa khlaimanugo roman script mari nai ok brogo ni tabuk tangai roman script nang kok brogo chini tiprasar ni thinang ni bagai de gobang ma bahai thinang athokiri phai tongai generation ni bagai tabuk tong
ang to thajing saikna rakhablai aboni benefits nini je nini script ni je easiness hinani nini proper je pronunciation no chin kok borok phainani tin je experts tok tam thaka borok sipro bahikle borok roman bai borok puila bangla bi shikawon pore nini iko Devanagari bai shikawon pore borok ingjagi angi bahike borok romano phaika hardly 2-3 jon tabu bangla ro bai shiyo sefali damo abro tang saikna rakhablai even if I take the example of this book fair 19 book tai 6 magazine roman bai kari khata writers rok adagao bangla bai 2 jon kari kha book tarpore nini Devanagari bai ang report manya ang nuglia ang to nan thasing benefit sagor kotol kok sanan thangya orang chini takuk react no sang bisa questions clear nayo
yes
botok saga first of it is a medium common language ne ari nung jehetu nung Devanagari samlai tongtha nung Devanagari use khari ta nung nije use khai gari ang doubt tong nung Devanagari sile man and now was doubt tong puila
no
second thing nung saka nini ko tradition hini nai tradition ko nung saka nung thik ase nung bor coat suit kani phainai abo nini comfortable bagai nini tradition ko saka or jaga ki Devanagari ki baiki sin tradition kha how it can be our tradition see here we are living in India so Devanagari can be the major
so do you think roman script is our tradition
I'm saying
which is closer to our tradition
let me finish here Roman and Devanagari both are not our tradition
yes of course
because we do not have our own script so that we are struggling right now
yes
and that is why we have to find out the which is the most suitable and which is the most benefited one not don't go by the emotions go by the practical
I'm not going by emotions
you are saying that nung saka home minister tam saka article 351 ko saka no
yes
see article 351 article sijak tomdang yabo busu implementation nung tong ground nang abunai de if it is so then why
it is a directive na it will help it will happen na
directive means directive
but taking
directive but
you cannot go against it na you cannot go against it
see I am not going against I love Devanagari
against it
yeah I love Devanagari I love Hindi because I live in India
yeah,
but for upliftment of my language yes. I have to think whose script is better
but it is not allowed by the constitution brother you are just beating around the bushes
no
it is not allowed by the constitution so how can you
who says not allowed by the constitution
it is not allowed na if
who says
it is violating I have already told you
who says not allowed by the constitution can be amended you must know constitution
yes,
can be amended
of course it can be
and constitution
how can a constitution will be amended so who will amend it for you
see
just tell me how
article 360 is clearly mentioned and you know and me also know
of course I know that
see, I know that I also know you know I also know so don't go deeply in constitution cannot come users you have to explain how Devanagari script will help us not only going constitution see, I know constitution
it will help us to enter into the H schedule very easily if you demand for it
see if it goes to the H schedule
yes of course
I want because I have also demanded so many times with my organization H schedule so
you have demanded Devanagari script
no
okay I thought you have
inclusion of cockburg in H schedule with Roman script
it is not possible in
why not script constitution can be amended constitution can be amended because
how tell me how a constitution is amended tell me now the procedure of amending a constitution
Okay.
Any article? Yeah. So you tell me. Then you tell me the possibility. That I'll be. Yeah.
Constitution can be amended. You know.
How?
It should be first. It should be first. You know, almost parliament is a Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha first matter bunai. Actually absolute majority by our pass makane in both the houses.
Absolute majority?
Yeah. Absolute majority.
Is it absolute majority or special majority?
Yes, absolute majority.
Special majority.
Yeah, it can be.
2/3 of these are different things. Simple majority, effective majority, absolute majority, special majority. These are different things. You need special majority, right? 2/3 of the members MP. Even the ruling party doesn't have that much of member.
Absolute majority is required to amend the constitution, and I am not going with that. So that constitution can be amended, you know, and I know also. It can be amended, but it can be.
Who will amend for you? You tell me.
Parliament. See, the treasury bench will amend the constitution.
Who?
Treasury bench.
Treasury bench.
You don't understand what is the treasury bench? Government will amend the constitution.
Achha, just tell me, I'm just going to explain one thing. In 1976, there was an agitation. There was a protest against the spread of Hindi, against Article 351, that you said, which can be amended. So, in 1976, the Tamil Nadu government, the government of Tamil Nadu, gave prize to those people who have opposed the Hindi, right? The spread of Hindi, right? They gave prize. Supreme Court came and gave warning to the government. It is very unconstitutional and you cannot do it. And if you do it again, I will suspend your government. And all those people, around 12,000 people, they were put behind bars. Like, you have to be very clear that I am not opposing Hindi. I love Hindi. I speak Hindi. It is my national language. It is official language, not national language. First of all. See, official language means national language. No. There are 22 official languages. What are you all are equal. All are equal. We need lingua franca. You have to come to the point. I'm coming to the point because you should tell the public that how Devanagari script will help us. Yeah, I already explained about that. How Roman script will help us. See, I think except to you tell me just one thing. If the constitution is directing this and they're asking the government, it is specifically written that it is a duty of the central government, right? If it is a duty of the central government to promote Hindi as a lingua franca, do you think by giving Roman script it will promote Hindi as a lingua franca? It is opposing. And first of all, if you think, don't laugh bro, if you think it can be done, then why Bodos have taken what we are not discussing about Buro. See, first of all, you are saying that central box. You are saying that central box. See, they have also demanded for Roman script. They were shot down. 15 people were shot down. I am talking about Kokborok, not Buro. I am talking about Kokborok, and you are saying that to promote bilingual of Hindi. Yeah, this is the directions of the government to promote the Hindi of the constitution. It is Hindi. That is there is a separate subject of Hindi, separate English of Hindi. We are not talking about Hindi. We are talking about Kokborok language, which is to be included in Roman. Yes, of course, I understand. But it can that means it is indirectly promoting English that you should understand, brother. You are saying that promoting my language is diluting other language. It should not be. My language is my language. Yeah, language is my language. You should understand that. And Hindi is a different subject. Hindi is promoting in itself. Almost Hindi bon jago go promote tongo. Ang tam kok sa to ang kok borong promote khayan sa. Yeah, of course. Ang kok borong promote khayan sa. Kok should be promote. Devanagari jodi easy hokan Devanagari. Kok borong promote khayan thang tena tabuk. Roman jodi easy inglang Romano nahanai. Devanagari jodi easy inglang Devanagari nahanai. Why you are confusing? I am not confusing people. You people are confusing people. At least you are not understanding what I am trying to say. If the Roman script is given to us, because lots of people are demanding for Roman script, not just us. Even the Bodos have also demanded for Roman script in I think 70s, but they were shot down. 15 people were shot down by the government because they said it is not possible. The reason is that it is a colonial language. I've already told you. You are saying that colonial. See, if it is colonial language, why it is being used in medical colleges, engineering colleges, universities? That's what government is
judges.
That's why it is directed now. That's why it is directed in the
Let them implement. Then they are
implementing that. You are
implementing. Now in Tripura also 20 schools are
who have opposed the compulsion of Hindi, because it is like they are trying to
see. You have to be very clear. We are not opposing Hindi. We are not opposing Hindi.
Indirectly.
We love it. But I love my language also, and I want my language to be promoted in future. So that to
promote our language, we need to get inducted into 8th schedule, and it is not possible by Roman script. You can take the example of history in 1967.
And now so many students.
Let me finish, brother. In 1967, by 21st Constitutional Amendment, the Sindhi language was inducted in the Constitution by the same Devanagari script. Then they have again introduced their own script. In 1992, I think by 71st Constitutional Amendment, the Manipuri, they took Bengali script. But they were also demanding for a Roman script. But they also know that is not possible, because Roman script is indirectly it is promoting.
So tell some benefits of your Devanagari script. How can we uplift our English language in Devanagari? Tell some benefits.
It is very good. Now, the first benefit itself, that it is allowing you, it is helping you to enter into the 8th schedule. Let me give few things about the benefits of the 8th schedule. You know, when
not 8th schedule. Not only 8th schedule, you should be very clear about your not only 8th schedule but also your Kokborok.
Yes, of course, I am very much concerned about my Kokborok, and it is very clear that. Okay, tell me.
You tell first. I already spoke.
Oh yes, I am telling.
The benefit.
The benefits of Devanagari. First of all, it is easy to make proper pronunciation.
To write in WhatsApp, right? Tell.
Huh? What?
Yeah, easy na.
It is easier. First of all, I am telling you.
This is why you are using in WhatsApp that English one. Tell.
It is a general language, brother. It will be used generally by everyone. Even the Hindi speaker will use bhai kaise ho, bhai kaise ho. But the thing is, there will be pros and cons in all the scripts. But you have to know this thing. Which script will give you the advantage of going into the 8th schedule? That's the first thing. It is not possible. That is the only thing, bro. Okay. If it is not restricted in the 8th schedule, I wouldn't have been opposing the Roman script. I myself is speaking in English. I know that, but you should know the very reason why this provision was given in the Constitution is because it is very prevalent. The English, it is very prevalent in India. It is predominant, but that's the reason now it is getting the policy has been formed. But I'm trying to tell you that if Roman script is given to us, suppose Mizos or Khasis, they will also demand for Roman script, right? So if Roman script is given to 2 or 3 multiple people, then do you think that the Hindi will ever become medium of communication? It will not. And about the promotion, right? What is 8th schedule? I have already told you. You didn't understand one thing. While the 8th schedule will help you to to develop your language on par with the other languages of the nation, right? From the Hindi, Assamese, Bengali, Tamil, Kokborok, jotono emon babe na borok specialist rasung na inko je jotono jate close relation ngmanan. From the tabuk not just center state relation, state to state relation. From the tabuk Assam by Tripura pun kong na kai. Jate Assamese thanai by Kokborok thanai ni bichingo je link to link ko khaiman ni bichi. Further researches are required. I know je Devanagari script ni. To be honest, researches inko surungi asam ko khaimia ko. To be honest, but tabuk inko ma khaine. Jodi bo Roman script ni 40 years ni simi demand khai to. Ingya, joton demand khai ka ingya. Amo chon sina no. Ingya ngi na Manipur ro bayang bahalang ka Bengali o yang bodo rogbo thaka. Tamna kalai same Devanagari again. So tabu simi suru khaya anka inko khai and nang jesa ka researchers na de. Brother. Amoni bo kok chon asa research khema to ting west thana rimaya. So what can we do? We can ask the central government. Okay, ask the central government ki bhai asik research khega jing boro. Amun tamna you have to give us the compensation. You have to give them job. You have to give money for their again retaining or whatever. Jodi rom tamna kalai English mein na Roman script mein na bo chakri khai to but binita se retraining bin jo to kichu you have to give all the if they you also know it is a policy of the central government to give any native language. You also know that. So jodi khai to kankai. I'm not going against you. you just give, I'll take Devanagari, but you have to give compensation for our 40 years of hard work. That we should do. We cannot go against the national policy. You should understand that. And no one is going to amend a constitution for us. Two-thirds of the majority, bro, more than 370 MPs we need in the Lok Sabha. We don't even have, we barely have 20 MLAs in our...
Then how CA have been passed? If it is not possible, everything is possible. So
you have to understand that there are few amendments which are not counted as the Constitutional Amendment Act.
CA is Constitution Amendment Act.
But it is not. It does not need 368.
Who says?
Let me explain one thing. Suppose a sixth schedule of the Constitution, right? Additional amendment came into Constitutional Amendment, but it does not need Article 360. It can be made by যেমন data total states from Nopongka. Amor kintu normal majority bantho mane oti special kun nahi. So there are few things because citizenship citizenship is governed by Citizenship Act of 1955. Amo citizenship grant hai amon kun constitutional government. So it can be amended normally, I think. And
not normally, by it is Constitutional Amendment Act. It is Constitutional Amendment Act. So now have you done?
Let it go. But remember one thing, they had majority, they were trying to do it. Do you think you can convince central government for doing amending the constitution? Right, okay, it is also, I think, is it hampering the federal structure of the nation? Federal money, no?
Which one?
The Roman, any schedule ni jodi amendment kangkai ki federal money ko impact dekhai no?
No, why should it impact?
No, I'm just asking because it is talking about the regional languages coming together. No. Will it impact?
See, how it will impact?
No, I'm just asking. Okay.
Promoting my language in Roman.
Yes.
How it would dilute?
No. I'm not saying that. I'm asking the amendment of the constitution. If there is if amendment is made in the constitution,
if it is not impacting other languages, then how could it impact in federalism?
I'm just asking you. I'm not giving my statement. I'm asking you, does it make any impact in the federal system? Because if it does, because it is talking about bringing all the regional languages, right, of the states and rights and all that. If it does, then after, for that special amendment, you will need ratification from more than 50% of the states of India. So it becomes also very hard. If it is, I'm not saying if it is.
Okay.
I
yeah.
But you also know, in current format, it is not possible to get into Roman script. You are just trying to beat around the bush.
Say, you are speaking more about your age schedule.
I'm concerned about it.
Yeah.
Because
you are lacking to promote your language.
No.
See, first of all, let me just take an example.
Okay.
Do you have bike or scooty? Do you have any vehicle?
I have car.
Why did you buy your car?
Communication, commuting.
Nang nene car payment for a garage or dai ton khana chalu khasagade.
Chalo go, dai toni go.
For your benefit only.
See,
tabuk jodi nini kok borok language no nong nini Devanagari script jodi h schedule dhawi na hai. Dhawi simi ton ka polinis kerikha because borok bujiya master degree khlaja near about 300 borok joto roman by jepore joto roman favor joto easing sini dialect hoite joto sini tabuk roman favor even nini tabuk nong tabuk committee jodi constitute khlai kangka kata committee commission jodi nong slam kangka kai as a report look jagona I tell you I am damn sure majority romano no fainai borok joto coveria kangka kai ani kokla haise nong tabu Devanagari no dawinya nini koksa sajaglia nini koksa sijaglia posporijaglia institution level han khiklai tonja kha. Do you think that almost in language no promote khaina bus kango? Do you think?
Okay.
Promote khaina
give answer right now or okay. Are bhai nona ang kasa kok sanamu sumudo ang e chirulo Devanagari be constitution dai rina ne ortho to amu yable nona khanan chimino bhai yagrumi khaire ka roman script aside. No, you can still write it till state level. I'm telling you again, till state level you can write anything. You can write, you also know that term. You can write.
Yeah, you have to be clear.
You have to be clear. Till this state point you can write with anything. It is a discussion of the state, but kyunki policies ning ko tong pressure tong tamo
nung tabu omon
let me
nin ko na kisa sorry ang nin ko na kisa intervene khainai nung saka state to omo siman yes you have to be very clear age schedule ni jaga o state to nung state ko bosa nung overall no Devanagari bahang na sin board Devanagari taw hardly ne khotiya samaj ni 2-3 jon samia ang daw no nung niji Devanagari siman ang niji daw no because no WhatsApp English pe khayo nga kai nung board ni jaga sumai ang
sawana le kicha ko
nung
acha tomare nung an let me finish you didn't let me finish acha thain tam stage jorang khaitam but after tamnaglai age schedule meaning kaisa status phaitam so do you think that just state ni recognition में चलो age schedule नंगे age schedule तो नंग it gives you permanent
अरे नंग संगे age schedule डायरेक्ट जे स्क्रिप्ट फोन थांगी डायरेक्ट ना
ओके डायरेक्ट दोसो
डायरेक्ट थाने डायरेक्ट you
support me
thang nang age schedule डायरेक्ट
give me support just give me 50,000 people
but listen but state to nung ke no nung improve khaine je nung Devanagari ma sune because sune ni state to sune nung saka state awo state it can be right ang
you ask state government I'm not
who is ruling state government
I don't know
who is ruling who's head saying I know very clear
okay they didn't also know but you also know
you ask them to implement Kokborok in all the schools in all the everywhere in Roman
schedule can give you rights fundamental rights you should know that
yes not fundamental rights
I mean fundamental constitutional rights
it should be yeah so first of all first of all you have to be very clear that you will include Kokborok in any nung sakang direct thane age schedule nung try khainai
I guarantee you listen just give me 50,000 people Tom within 2,000 few years we'll include in Devanagari
ang 50,000 dinai borok
okay just few people just bring 10,000 but you are a very big leader
I'm 50,000 1 lakh pun borok limano
okay
but it should be public it should be depends on public opinion second first of all haile thangleng ya government no sadi jehetu no government nini boss no sadi thangi nai
who is my boss
see
who is my boss you are talking about who is your boss
see where you are working right now
where I mean Goria Sena Kshatriya Samaj
yes. Who is the boss of Kshatriya Samaj
Purnachandra Debbarma
any others
no
Dr. Otto also the crucial member
so
he is the main
no he's not member he is already left the organization it's a social organization you cannot blame
but I am not blaming I am telling just the fact he is also associated he is also
round that way Ramapada Jamate is also associated with Jamate so you can say that are you trying to say that Jamate is also
not Jamate don't bring any social organization here Jamate
why are you bringing my social organization here
you came here on behalf of that social organization
no,
that is why here no one is from Jamatiya Hoda why should I talk about Jamatiya Hoda
my boss is you are already left organization
not left he didn't leave I know he didn't leave see the first of all you try to include Kokborok in age schedule you want Devanagari then you try in Devanagari I am in favor of Roman then I will try in Roman
no it is not possible you also
it is possible or not possible it is
not possible history is the proof no one
it is possible or not possible it depends on them and we will demand in Roman it is our political demand it is our
political demand
I'm sorry see everything
has a political link I know that
everything what see if you demand something then you have to be good in political because who will amend the constitution who will include
Tom
see now the thing is that nung try khaide nini Devanagari by schedule jana ne ang try khaine ani phaching ang andolan khaine Roman script by in khai yak na only bapar sin khaina ngai taw kokla haise ani Roman favor ang ani benefits tonga ang Roman favor ang dabi khaine ed schedule ka to joto jaw circular dong to nang nini phasing tei ed schedule nini bangla bai phun sorry bangla ya nung Devanagari bai phuno danani nung diman khairi thane nung dai phunuk di asuk jito
but this is one thing I want to ask okay Tom I will not oppose you and you also don't oppose me
no I am not opposing
so suppose nung Devanagari by age schedule man thai kun problem na
no I love Devanagari
no you love Devanagari you don't have any problem na
yeah I don't have but
okay
but
so if I am demanding for Devanagari like top. You also know that any script can be tuned in any way. You also know that.
No, not like that.
No. It is possible. Bengali is getting you.
No.
Nung jodi ang nikok sa thaka ang get that tuning particular tune bodo sok you have to take example brother. অনেক জায়গা ইউজ হতো সো টিউনিং নি কোন কথা जैसे language explanation tuning can be possible
tuning is not possible
are brother I understand
not possible
are you didn't tell me I understand this thing now the kok sa tha angke ang jodi demand khai to angke nang ano opos khai angke ngule opos khai
ang romani favorite demand khai ang non ta opos khai ba
because
ang non opos khai
I'm getting opos brother we are getting opos
see ang ani lamo ko mari
santa mo
see
direct sugo
implement thang kamo
obviously the demand
khai di thane implement khai di ang non opos khai
are you trying so why
ang ani favorite demand khai nai ang ani favorite demand khai nong nin favorite demand khai di that is your right
I am demanding
see I have my constitutional right to demand anything
not anything there are regional restrictions to things not anything you cannot demand anything
see anything means what embed the constitutional embed the constitution I am not saying that beyond the constitution I will demand anything
okay
see you are making the things very complex
I am not making things
পাইথাক দিকে থাং তং 2 minutes 2 minutes
okay
sin panan paithak digi thang tong ekdom tabuk ni thani 2 minutes kok not clear khai public rok wan sugui tong nai tong taw gusin kok khorang live 2 minutes
second okay nari ang sung sanai nedi jing history ni simi saimana no ta tuk suk jor jese amendment sang ka jo to kisong ba kya ang mane personally kuno issue kare romance kare bebo jebo je sinam tungai soi tong mano and jese commission report kha in state level actually na samacharam sar songni report pura purjo to north east romance script no sanglai tong and but bin pore 93 rogo hangke na Manipur na shika 2003-4 no bodo rogo na shika ko kai Devanagari te Bengali script it is not possible it is against the national policy national constitutional it is against the constitutional direction it is because it is indirectly not directly but indirectly violating the constitution so it is not possible abang tabuk suk jora kya bo manya ko directly sejak tong kunun bhabe panche promote ngmaya inko English tabuk amo tabung sana engko khungtong and amo tangi saga amo sudu 8 schedule bagi chai because 8 schedule particularly only for the regional languages for the Indian languages so 8 schedule bagi simi chai education institute ni kokta sir education institute jesa French kon por just not possible okay this is my 2 minutes so in case of 8 schedule which is only specific for the regional languages to promote regional languages because 8 schedule ni target no ka pura puri desh no sudu regional language be simi se toni nani so amo actually moral thing it is a matter of common sense that no foreign script will be accepted here because mo pura target Roman script ne je shudu desh ni jese official language pani bang soman hindi bang tong kobor bang soman nang thangnai and shudu desh ni language simi tong nai so that's why it is not possible in Roman script and unconstitutional I know ching lei thaga demand khaitini Devanagari but we should start from better late than never tini simi shurma khane amon chau
ani ko conclusion san thang bon ko kisna hanai bo saka je roman bo ed schedule simi chau educational institution ya bo thaching directly english pura english no si bo colonial sonolia ni
yes of course it is
yeah nong opposite khaine bo then it not only for this is my time
okay
nong opus mane nong pura pura opus khai nong educational institution haja nong jotu opus khai ni kong no time second thing ani ko control san thangang sali sakang ang honorable mp ni revuti prasad ni interview nu kha khumpiyo a jaga bo cbs ni reference ran thangteno bo saga boni bo script nu kong tin saga bo sajo khorong noi english medium poriufu ngakai bo bon busa juda ola higher education o judi kok boroti poren thaklai bo english harate kono jaga porimia hini sao bo na bo bangla bai porimia tai kaisa bo directly sale abu botamno sanai khau jotunu kam saimono bo english even bon busal poriman hini bo abu saka that means bo tamni favor abu sung saimono sung bo koboria o jaga o tabu roman script ni jeta ang kabang benefit saka tai je constitution ning je kok sai tong je english or hindi no promote khanya ni se ani kok no ang roman be promote khanya abuni meaning khaya ja hindi promoting ye hindi jang promoting tong na an language tang ani jaga promote khai tong na roman no ani jekle benefit dong promote khanya constitution 8 schedule kane abang demand khanya abo government juthai rakhari yakari abo norok naidi oba ani demand tong nai state je hetu tau joto jaga phongjagi tong am benefit jabon kabang benefit tong tai sini Indian constitution constitution nobusong amen khlai jate roman bai datho chin abo demand tong nai kokhle haisi gagi tabo je kono constitution ni kisa bairangi thakla abo anti national ba anti constitution aba haya constitution can be amended abo very clear nang nangnai gakai ani favor roman bai very easy roman bai ang kabang tasing benefit saka hain bagai chini tabo je chhatro jubo samaj nini je intellectuals jotono roman bai nayo amoni je benefits tongino jehetu amo democratic country jong state o kaisa commission asona nago o jagao जों जे चिनि सिक्ला रक परिनाय रक अखरा साखरा रक तामनि फेभर रो जेहेतु डेमोक्रेटिक कान्ट्री बियां फेभर थांसिनि जे थॉट प्रोसेस चिनि जे ओपिनियन आबुनि अनुसारि जों मा थांनाय जों अर 5 जन 10 जन बरक बांला बिनायो अंबायनाय हिमान बे इन्या
Can I say something?
Okay. 1 minute.
Okay. কাশা কক শব্দ যদি শুধু মানে সব সময় না what is right, what is wrong, majority sakai nung thaya am to jodi majority saman writing to gai chengti parasara kudina tripura writing mangala kamo. Okay, so asung sanai and education institute is a different thing and ningola nini kasha language ni specific kasha ni identity ngo khana nai tong and traditional language mani ni ko sai thaka we are Indians first, so that's why nijini script pin bagi Indian language no preference directly constitution to tin payo and foreign mo preference kun kare ningam kasha bujna na hotam. So that's it. It is not possible. In my opinion, it is not possible in Roman script. That's the reason. Because I have also demanded for Roman in one time, but I think it is not possible. So Bangla, ningtak singmono Bangla already using to. So why not Bangla? So we all know why not Bangla.
And give it 30 seconds.
Okay.
See, ang thasimu saka je kun manino पाइनाय गेरेज दाइ तंख्ला अब डेभलपिङ यसं आबुनो उपयुक्त युटिलाइजेशन मा खाइनाय आ युटिलाइजेशन बागै जों तामना आं सायखना रखा नों साउजे इंडिया I am Indian, I am made Indian, I love India, I love Hindi,
okay.
But I love my mother tongue also and I want my mother tongue should be developed in accordingly. Deto Hindi bo ani amaniya Roman bana amaniya. Tamuklah Hindi antek sa Ghana because I India tong amani Ghana. Haipano o jagawa ani je benefiting nai abnu na ang demand ma khainai. Abo engnai yabo only paper. There are things that can happen or not happen, but my demand will be there. That's it.
Okay, 30 seconds. The people, please, 30 seconds. Okay. So, brother, thing saka and ang asa kayo tabuk jefura ang Devanagari bagi demand kayo nang oppose kayo lang. Neng goti brother. Anyway, neng amo nini point of view say neng domain besimino develop mo na. Neng amo saimya ko Devanagari website kaam mo na. I'll give you proof. And incoming time we'll get proof. Other to proof sara to nung Simon na koron ko sara kayo. So of course there will be proof. Neng angno kamong ko riwan no future boy ro kamong ko kana. So jodi efficiency niko kaam mo phane, don't worry about that. So while I am demanding for my cover to be included in the 8th schedule because 8th schedule hap ka kan ninam promote na amo sar ankan facilities bamangla nang mini research khena rang bamangla kun bamangla it is required, right? Financial assistance and everything and protection is also required. So bagai sung sanai nung chaimia je bomo bisi kaham ko pronouncing bomo bisi tuning kaham ka nung chaimia ko do nung chaimia of course nung popori khaba Devanagari ba
poriang na ni
na
ang Hindi pori man ang Hindi simano
siman lena
of course why not
maximum borong siman lena askal
maximum borok manya
mas ma farang nita
maximum borok manya
ma farang nai okay bas asung no
ko sini panda tinin sing japta sino hambai bele tinin chini panda phai logri humagi takuk stom tai takuk riyat no takuk te bukuk chong satai klayo omo hai kogrono ti no tabuk chini ti prasa je kubang ma sinai nungnai borom gnang kubang ma je asugui tongnai rok ini hampreni bagai kok ti sai tongnai rok khunjurogo okogrok sogojani ingthung takuk te bukuk chong tinine panda puilani simi paithak nai tongnai chini kok khorangni dibetchuo analogi ui nai tongnai rongno bele hambai maya poro tebo oba hai je chini mani kok no teo phwan bagi thangtung obono jotoni naimu jotoni hambai tinin pandaro mo thaka khulumka